Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to split screen on Android Samsung phone. Let's start by clicking on the icon or making the gesture to enter Open Applications. After that, we will see the Open Applications. Then, we are going to hold down the icon of one of them, and we will see that it enters split screen mode. After that, we will have to choose the second application for the division. Once we select it, we will see that the screen is divided with both applications that you can use at the same time. You can adjust if you want the frame size of each application on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.